Good morning all. So today I'm going to showcase how to create a pie chart and donut chart in Power BI. So let me connect. So I do have recent sources. So let's click on this, connect to sample superstore data. Select a table. I'm going to select orders table and I'm not going to do any transformations for now. Let me load the data. To create a donut chart in Tableau, we have to do multiple steps, but in Power BI, so it's direct. We do have a donut and the pie chart. Those two are individual charts. So let's click on donut chart here. Increase the size of this chart. So let's say I want to showcase region-wise sales in a donut. Select region and let me select sales here. And if you want to increase the size, go back to formatting. Just search for size. You can increase the legend text size and also the label size. So default, we are going to get the percentage as well. So how much in general, whenever we are working with pie chart or donut chart. So pretty much it looks good when we are going to showcase percentage values. So we are going to get both actually. So we are going to get the regular sales value and the percentage calculation across the table level. So this is what donut chart. And if you want to create a pie chart, so let me go for a pie chart here. Select a pie chart, the same visualization. So let me select region and sales. Go back to size, increase the legend size and increase the label size. Both are the same, but we are showing in a pie chart and we do have a donut chart here. Thanks for watching.